Please give me 10 seconds to explain my idea, which is of course a bot. Bots really shine when they work on tasks that are simple to express but fairly complex, long, or tedious to perform. For example, let's have a look at the command the evil computer Skynet gave to the Terminator: kill John Connor. Although the command was simple, the task revealed extremely long and difficult, as show the 4 movies that has been filmed so far. Another example could be looking for a telephone number. Well, maybe 10 seconds are not enough to explain the idea. Let me tell you a little more. One of the tasks that consume most of the time in a business for people is actually talk with people, and many of these conversations are done by telephone, especially today that everyone has a cell phone.
You couldn't be serious. I already have all the telephone numbers I need in the contact book of my cell phone. I don't need a bot for that.
Well, I'm sure this is not always the case. Sometimes you don't know the person you need to talk to. Who signed this contract? Who approved these travel expenses? And maybe you don't even care. I need to talk with someone from the London office. I need to talk with someone that speaks Arabic. Business World On has tons and tons of contact information. There are employees, customers, providers, and depending on the domain, maybe others as well.
Our product already offers fast and easy ways to get all this information.
I agree. All this information is available, but not always in a fast way. Let's look at an example. In order to get some data from a client, I need to sit at my desk, logging into Business World On. Open the appropriate screen, filling some sort of form, search and then read the results. With PeopleFinder, the process is unlock the phone, start the chat app, tap on Wanda, and then write or dictate who do you want to find. Then, if you want to call him, congratulations! You already have the phone in your hand. Another advantage of PeopleFinder is that it's available everywhere. You don't need a laptop to get this information, just a cell phone. And nowadays we all wear a cell phone 100% of all time. Maybe you're a commercial en route, a technician working on the client site, or a manager waiting a flight in an airport. Are you already a bit interested? Do you let me continue?
Okay, why not?
Thank you. Now I'm going to show you some other examples. Since we know the organizational tree of the company, we can ask things like, I need to talk with Rafael Artacho's secretary. I want to find someone from the R&D department. Please find the manager of the R&D department. We also may know the geographical organization of the company. So we can ask things like, find someone from London office. Since we store many information about the people we deal with in our company, we can ask things like, please find me a provider that speaks Spanish. I want to find someone that knows about Selenium. And all the things can be combined easily, for example, using dialogues. Please find me a provider that speaks Spanish. I know you work in Granada's office. Do you want me to search there? Yes, please. Or, I want to find someone that knows about Selenium. I know you are near Oslo's office. Do you want me to search there? No, search everywhere. We can also ask about the person that performed certain actions on the workflow of an object. Like, for example, let me know who is assigned to work order, whatever. Find me someone related to this project. Please find who validated this invoice. I want to know who created purchase order, whatever. All this information is stored in the company's database and is accessible directly using SQL queries or the business world on REST APIs. As a conclusion, I might say PeopleFinder offers a simple functionality, but this doesn't need to be a drawback at all. It does something useful for the user that he can easily understand and use using only his intuition. PeopleFinder does what bots are supposed to do better: complex, long, or tedious tasks, but with a simple to understand command. And another very important thing, it is doable with the current technology.